Just for the sake of the video, we're gonna try to make it look a little cute, but out of the way for the sake of the video. Pro boost, so this is what I'll be using. I'm gonna just bring this much down. I don't wanna really like gel it so tough because just in case. So all of this is going up so it can stay out the way. I really don't know how to braid. I just get it done. So I'm going to show you guys the ends too. The ends look a little different. So I used the Rasta Jamaican curly hair in 1B, and this is in a 30. I will probably do another one so you guys can kind of see how I added it. It's pretty easy, and then you just cut off the tips. So you just take this, add the curly hair, and then you cut off the tips and you glue this part. So that's just how I did that. So when I braid it all the way down with my regular hair, then I split it. This is just the way I do it because I don't really know how to braid hair like that. But it still looks just as good, I think. And I don't want to do the techniques that really make the hair attach the way other people do it because it takes too long for me, and I've been doing my hair like this since high school, so it's quicker for me. I'm so over it. I really didn't want to have to do my hair, but everybody wanted to charge your arm and a leg, so this is how I'm saving money. I want to spend my money out in Mexico. I need to be spending it on hair. So I'm gonna leave this amount for the curly hair. As you guys can see, the curly hair looks like that. Combing out that part. These are the last two. So this is what the ends look like. As you can see, the straight pieces, all of them are gonna get converted into the curly pieces like this. So the first thing I do is unravel these. If they get stuck, just cut them, because you're not gonna need them anyway. So I just cut the tips to get them unraveled. So I'm gonna take the Rasta Jamaican Curly, which is this one. I'm gonna just take one twig off of there. So this is like one twig right here. Pull it apart. And then I'm going to find the piece that I'm doing. I'm gonna take it, and I usually wrap it like this and wrap it to one of the third leg like that. So it's kind of like a teeter-totter. Then I just start braiding, keeping my hand still. So right there, I'm gonna take the glue. So this is Kiss glue, and I'm just gonna put it at the tip and put it at the back as well, and then bring them together like that. Cut this axis like this. So I'm just cutting the axis, straight ones, not the curly pieces, just the straight. And we're just gonna cut all of that off. So if it looks weird, re-glue certain areas or finish cutting the ends. So I'm gonna just cut that piece off and cut this piece off. Like this. So I'm putting the glue all over that, letting it get extremely hard. You want to feel the ball. If you don't feel a ball, you have to feel that little rough ball, because you need to make sure that it doesn't come apart. This is how I'm going to probably wear my hair. I'm going to put in maybe a seashell, whatever, you know how they do. But I wish you guys can see the whole hair, but I would have to stand up. I don't think you guys can see it. But this is how it looks. And then I'm gonna put some mousse at the top and do all that. So yeah, this is pretty much the finished look.